And the Ministry of Sports has allocated a budget of 335 million Kenyan shillings for Team Kenya's participation at the 12th edition of the Africa Games in Morocco. This as Athletics Kenya denies any blame for the fiasco that saw the athletics and volleyball teams get thrown out of their hotel due to unpaid bills. Kenya will send a contingent of 234 athletes to the 2019 African Games to be held in Rabat, Morocco. The Ministry of Sports, through the Sports Fund, has set aside a budget of 335.77 million shillings to cater for all expenses pertaining to the Games as well as the athletes' allowances. Kenya's flag will be flown in 22 disciplines, 17 of which will serve as Tokyo 2020 Olympic qualifiers. Badminton, judo, shooting, table tennis and beach volleyball teams were the first to leave the country ahead of their opening matches scheduled for Friday. There shall be batches of departures on Thursday, Saturday and Friday next week. Meanwhile, preparations for the African Games went off track on Tuesday, with athletics and volleyball teams getting thrown out of their rooms at a Nairobi hotel due to unpaid bills. This saw the Ministry of Sports accuse Athletics Kenya and Kenya Volleyball Federation of failing to comply with regulations to host the national teams at the government-approved facilities. But in a swift rejoinder, AK has absolved itself from blame.
As far as Athletics Kenya is concerned, it does not arise to us because the responsibility still remains with Kenya National Sports Council. Therefore, we wouldn't have refused to do what the ministry or the government was saying because we were not the ones who were doing that. My take is that I think as a country, we need to have a good planning so that we don't end up with problems that we are facing now. Otherwise, we hope that our team that will represent in Kenya will not have been affected that much in preparation and also the trust within us and also the government.
In Morocco, Kenya will be seeking to better her 32 medals haul from the 2015 tournament held in Congo-Brazzaville that included 6 gold, 9 silver and 17 bronze medals.